With the reduction in the amount of new build, most of the sheltered accommodation was becoming quite old. We reviewed the stock, we looked at which of those properties we could improve and bring them up to what we call the Colchester standard, promoting independent living in a supported environment for older persons. And the idea was that we would provide attractive accommodation suitable for longevity so that people had an apartment they could be proud of, that would work for them, and somewhere where they would feel comfortable to be able to move from what was their family home into the next stage of their lives.
Colchester Borough Homes can offer a full turnkey solution. So with this scheme, for instance, we've done everything right from the design through to the planning applications, the specification writing, the tender process, and then acting as principal contractor for the works.
CBH worked with residents as to how the project should look, and we've met prior to the work starting, prior to the design. We've come back with designs.
We had a say in the colours. We wanted in the kitchen, in the bathroom, and the carpets we had a say in. Yes, so, they're really good idea. They're very helpful.
The refurbishment is a complete overhaul of the whole scheme, starting really with having an inviting entrance. Previously it was just a door into a corridor. Internally in the flats to be reconfigured in terms of having open plan accommodation in the lounge, dining room, kitchen area, better bathing facilities for those that might need assisted bathing, and better layout of the property that they can move around and live in an easier manner. One of the main aims of the project was to use as many energy efficient measures as possible, both from the green credentials but also to make the living as cheap as possible for the residents. Everything from the heating system to a much more energy efficient gas absorption heat pump, PV panels, we're using LED lighting around the scheme, sun tubes, and also the thermal qualities of the building itself in the insulation, but also in installing triple glazed windows. We do offer homes for life, and actually whatever the needs of the resident as they get older, they can remain in that property and in their home. The accommodation itself is easily adaptable, and effectively residents themselves feel much more happier in terms of they want to stay in that accommodation and be basically proud of where they live.
Colchester Borough Council has a real commitment to its older client group. It sees them as being incredibly important. Maintaining their health in their home gives the best opportunity for healthy living for older people and promotes well-being.
Having been to see my new flat, it just looks amazing. I just personally can't wait. I'll be like a child at Christmas.